Hi guys, Craig Webb from Rent to Rent with Ben and Craig. Are you new to Rent to Rent? Do you wonder how it works? Are you wondering how you can get started? Are you wondering how much profit you can make? Well, if so, stay tuned, I'm about to explain. In the meantime, if you could do me a favour, if you could like and subscribe to this video and to our channel, that would be greatly appreciated. So, what is Rent to Rent? Rent to Rent is a property strategy where we make good profit from properties that we don't even own. And how do we do that? So what we do, we take a property from a landlord or agent, we offer them a guaranteed rent over a fixed period of time. This could be 3, 5 years, 7 years, and then we pay all the bills, the gas, the water, the council tax, internet, etc. We then rent out the property on a room by room basis, and the money that we get from our rent, we pay the landlord his rent, we pay the bills, and then whatever money's left over is ours to keep. It's a great property strategy. It's something that's scalable, that you can scale really fast, and it's something that you don't need massive amount of funds to get involved in, because you don't need to actually put deposits down to buy properties as if you were doing it in the normal buy-to-let route. It's a very popular strategy. It's a great way to build up experience, and it's something that me and my business partner Ben have been doing for a number of years now. So I thought I'd do a quick video just explaining how it works, what it is. If you're interested in getting started in Rent to Rent, feel free, reach out to me or my business partner Ben. You'll find us on Facebook. I'll leave the link in the description below, and have a great day everyone.